Good afternoon, Mark Hunter here, and I'm glad you joined me on the Afternoon Gospel Sing. As you know, we've been talking to faculty and staff at Robinson Community College. Today, I've got Matt Dimery from the Criminal Justice Department at Robinson Community College. He's going to tell us all about that. Let's say good afternoon to Matt. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Well, as we begin, why don't you tell us about the Criminal Justice Degree Program at RCC?
Yes, sir. The Criminal Justice Program at Robinson Community College, when you think about criminal justice, many people think about the shows like Law and Order or CIS and any shows like that on TV when they go catch the bad guy. And in a way, that's what we teach here, but it does take longer than an hour to solve those crimes and figure out who the bad guy is. And our program here at Robinson Community College is designed to provide the foundational knowledge for criminal justice and focus on local and state and federal law enforcement and the judicial processes. And the emphasis is actually placed on the criminal justice system, criminology, juvenile justice, criminal and constitutional law, investigative principles, ethics, and community relations. In Robinson Community College, we offer an associate's degree in criminal justice that can be completed in 2 years, and that program is also 100% online. And aside that, we also offer several certificates, which is a corrections certificate, court foundation certificate, and fundamental principles of law enforcement certificate. And we also offer additional training opportunities in criminal justice, including the basic law enforcement training that's free with a required sponsorship, and the correctional officer basic training and law enforcement officer in-service training for current law enforcement officers. And all this information can be found at www.robinson.edu.
Very good. I'm talking with Matt Dimery this afternoon from Robinson Community College. And what employment opportunities are available for someone with a degree in criminal justice?
Some of the employment opportunities actually include local, state, and federal law enforcement in corrections and in security fields. And some of those examples in those areas are police officers, deputy sheriffs, county detention officers, state troopers, probation and parole officers, correction officers, and loss prevention specialists. And local employment opportunities exist in all area police departments, including those in our local areas, which is Fairmont, Red Springs, Pembroke, St. Paul's, Lumberton, Maxton, Roland, and UNCP actually has their own police department as well. And our graduates have also gone to work for the North Carolina Highway Patrol, North Carolina DMV License and Theft Agency, the North Carolina State Bureau of Investigations, and also North Carolina Department of Corrections. And the students can also enter the program, graduate, and further their studies with a bachelor's degree in criminal justice and go into law school to become a lawyer. And there are many possibilities with a degree in criminal justice.
Well, kind of on that note, who would enjoy a career in criminal justice? And what is the job outlook, salary, that sort of thing for a career in this field?
Well, criminal justice is for those who like to solve mysteries, who may enjoy some adventure in their workday, and it's for those who enjoy doing good and pursuing excellence and that are of high moral integrity. Criminal justice is all about the legal system, and that's from local police to the judicial system, and it all works together. And graduates can expect to make anywhere between $35,000 to $40,000 on a yearly salary, and that all depends on the location, the job title, and your description. And criminal justice jobs are actually growing faster than the average and are scheduled to grow an additional 5% over the next 7 years. And students who have been convicted of criminal activity may find it difficult to secure employment in the field, and we'd like to be honest about this up front. And in saying this, it may not be the right path for you. However, if your intent is to go to law school, this still could be a good fit.
I'm talking with Matt Dimery this afternoon from Robinson Community College. We're discussing criminal justice, and I understand that in October there are some 8-week classes being offered. Could you tell us about the classes?
Yes, sir. There are 8-week classes starting on October 12th here at RCC, and these classes do have a prerequisite that must be met prior to enrolling. But if you've taken the introductory courses or you have completed BLET, you got your BLET certification, you may be eligible to be enrolled in those classes. And these classes are ethics and community relations, victimology, and investigative principles.
Now, if a listener wanted more information about what we've been discussing this afternoon, or maybe they want to pursue a degree in criminal justice, what would they need to do to get more information?
Okay, if you've taken classes at another college and you want to transfer to RCC, we'd love to have you just give me a call, or you can email our admissions staff, and their email is admissions@robinson.edu, and we'll get you started on the process to get you enrolled. I can be reached at 910-272-3480, And my email is tdimery@robison.edu, and that spelling is TDIMERY. Or you can also email the lead criminal justice instructor. Her number is 910-272-3481. Her email is hmontero@robison.edu, and that spelling is HMONTERIO. And you can also visit our webpage at www.robison.edu, and you just click on academics, and then you go to public service. And when you see our page, that has all the information about our programs available. Or you can just simply Google Robinson Community College Criminal Justice Program, and you should see the link available in the search results.
Very good. I'm talking with Matt Dimery from Robinson Community College. And as we wrap things up, Matt, is there anything else you'd like to talk about this afternoon?
I would. It's a great opportunity. It's a 100% online program which allows students to continue working full-time and take as many classes as they would like to take, whether it be part-time or up to full-time. And it's just a great opportunity if you would like to change your field and get into the criminal justice field. And that's whether you want to be on the sworn officer side or the civilian side, such as working in the courthouse and different areas such as that, or pursue your introductory or get your feet into the law field.
Well, Matt, thank you so much for taking time to be with us this afternoon.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure.